Yo, YouTube gang, we're back in the building. It's your boy Jambisco. You already know what we're dealing with today. You see from the title, we here with Malie Spell. Let's get it. Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the building, guys. Yeah, guys, I just want to clap on yourself. Thank y'all for the continued love and support. You feel me? Thank y'all for the continued love and support. Just clap yourself. We're going strong over here. I appreciate all y'all, all the subscriptions, all the likes, all the comments. You know, I'm telling you, daily uploads. You know what I'm saying? Daily uploads. And daily multiple uploads that and we're going strong over. We're staying active. We're gonna stay active. We're gonna keep bringing these bangers and these entertainment. You know what I'm saying? And remember, guys, I'm including a lot more into the channel. Not only music, I got other videos. You know, but you know, music is gonna be the main thing that we react to. But I got other videos, funny videos, mystery videos, horror, all type of stuff. So definitely check out the short section. Check out the community. Show us some love. You know what I'm saying? I'll be posting bad girl of the day. Fresh, you know, the freshest of the day, fresh outfit, all that type of stuff. I'll be updating you through the community tab, so stay tuned for that as well. Okay, guys? Yeah, man, guys. As I said, let's see what we are dealing from the title. Yeah, man, we here. Yeah, man, this artist, no stranger to the channel, very talented. You know what I'm saying? Last track we checked out, I believe, was V6. Yeah, and that was doing really well, and that was a really good track. Like, yeah, he did his thing on that one. You know what I'm saying? So we're here to check it out. Check out Malie, yeah, and his new track Spell. We're gonna see what's going on, guys. And you don't know what time it is. Hit that like and subscribe button, man. Be a vibes over here. So you see me, Malie, one of the best artists out there, 6. You see me, his humbleness and patience been paying off. You know what I'm saying? He's doing his thing now. So we want to jump in that track and see what's going on, guys, and not hold up much longer, guys. Remember, let me know what you react to next, and if I choose the song you suggest, I will definitely give you a shout out and put you up here, over here. Yeah, your name is gonna be over here somewhere. So definitely, I'm gonna give you a shout out and post you up. So definitely, go ahead, drop the comments. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop your country, all that. You know what I'm saying? The city, all that. So we ain't gonna hold them vibes much longer. This is Malie Spell. Let's get it. Clienta run. Science him up. That's it.
It is science him. One chick black like virgin, I want bucky blood clap. I'm from Virgin Road. Fuck a big woman past 30.
Ooh, y'all hear? Ooh, come on, man. Yo, y'all hear that flow? Ja. Bro, who's the producer? Who's in the engineer, bro? Whoever your team you been working with, Malie, they doing their thing, bro. I'm telling you, no joke.
Girl, no with the goat, your belly watch a surgery. I show me no nerd, she a say me cocky sturdy. I girl you have a firm to carry that heavy burden, yeah.
Yo, girl, me dig out your belly watch the surgery. Girl, you have to sturdy, you have to carry this a burden, yeah. Come in, man, yeah, man. Yo, Malie, yo, you got to know if you be one of the best to do this, you know, bro. I ain't gonna cap if I keep on the party and that. You making some quality music, G. Malie, yeah, yeah, man, say I make some quality music, me, G. Yeah, man. How many tag Malie on this?
Girl, a pal said the thing tough. One bag of brick like some rubber brain struck. Mama, you don't know how the thing go. Man, I come here for stay, I just come forget a quick, bro. Yeah.
Bad tune, bro. Bad tune. This is what I'm talking about. This me I talk about that. When I talk about blow, hey, girl. Hey, you yo, hold on, that. Me start this over, that. Can I start it over, guys? Guys, can I start this shit over? This is a whole vibe, bro. I gotta take you from the top. Come here, let's get it. Malie Spell. Let's get it.
Clienta run. Science.
That's the intro, bro. You get an A plus from the intro. You get an A plus, my G.
Clienta, it is science. One chick black like virgin, I want bucky blood clap. I'm from Virgin Road. Fuck a big woman past 30, a girl me with.
Fuck a big woman past 30, a girl you have to.
Go to belly, watch a surgery. I show me no nerd, she a say me cocky sturdy. A girl you have to firm, fi carry that heavy burden.
Jeez, peace, bro. Bro, you get an A plus. Malie, I hear me that you get an A plus for the intro, bro. This is how you make music, nigga. Come on.
Gyal a pal said the thing tough. One bag of brick like samurai bring struck. Mama, you don't know how the thing go. Man, I come here for stay, I just come forget a quick, bro.
One bag of brick like samurai bring struck. Mama, me not come here for stay, I come back. Hey man, yo, music, come in, no?
Just a quick fuck. She go pan her name, get my dick suck. Bad gal, bad freak, bad dick suck. And my cocky like say she name my kiss. Feel skull dance. Send
You see, bad bitch. Like a kiss cup. Yeah, man, they don't call me Jambisco, the girl them kiss cup for no reason. You know, I want to them. Yo.
info. Sell your house and go live in a big truck. Easy like uno dos stress, quattro cinco. Fuck out a gal hole, she no need no dildo. Tell us me
Uno dos quattro cinco. Hey, yo, dog, you're full of lyrics up. Hey, Malie, me have pull up that man. Come in now, man.
and go live in a big truck. Easy like uno dos stress, quattro cinco. Fuck out a gal hole, she no need no dildo. Tell us
Easy like uno dos quattro cinco. Fuck out a girl, hold them no need a dildo. Hey, BF, come here.
say me did I come pick you up, but me never do it. Me sorry, say me feel you. Baby, you know the thing go. Just calm down and chill now. When the guy
Me they tell us me I pick you up. I never do it. Me sorry say me pill you. Baby, just chill now. Hey.
client, run. Just science, man. When the client, run. Just science, man.
Yo, come in, bro. You making tune. Malie, stay on this part, bro. But I bag a whole behind a bag of fuck cream and dog. You see me just stay up on the party and stay clean with it, bro. Keep God by your side, me G.
Mama from a rich on me yard. Pull it draws, mama. I lap down with a fully charged banger. Every day them come a
That I got be a lyrics. Girl from a reach on me yard. Pull it jazz, mama. You see me? Me lock down in the house that banger. I'm tear man, come in, man. Hey.
thing about chopping. Like a pussy a scammer. One bag of waste man and a bag of follower hogs. Raja if I know another day, another dollar fling ball in a
One bag of waste man and one bag of follower hogs. Raja. Raja Wild matter about? Is he talking about Raja Wild? Eh? Is he talking about Raja Wild? What's wrong about craft? Hey, we don't want to start things about you doing your thing, bro.
just like say I'm a rat and a unbox that. When the client run. You just science, man.
Okay, when the client run, you just science him up. You see me? Because you don't know, you have to get chop, you know. So you can't run from the choppings.
Client run. Science, man.
Malie, people me know the thing about that one, yeah, man. Malie, you're doing your thing, bro. You see me? You get an A for the beginning, you get also we getting an A for the middle as well. Let's see how you end off the tune, dog. I'm liking it. Girl, we like those. So you mean like slim as them, I mean, man. Yeah, man. Dolly them. Yeah. Easy no more. Blouse and skirt. Girl. this a real dope track, man. Malie, you do your thing on this one, my G. Come on. The view over the Blow Island, dog. What you mean, man?
Now I need someone to breathe me back to life.
Ooh, like, come on, now, feed her there, come in. Man, know you mean, man, darling, yeah, man, me like me hot girl, me like me island girl, looking so nice and loving the background, you know? Yeah, man. Jano, Malie, Dan, me J. You do your thing pon the one, them, man, me not lie. Yeah, man, people only think about that one. Did you enjoy that track? Because I did. I ain't gonna cap to you. I enjoyed that track a lot. Malie never. Hey, I don't want to be one of those comment sections where Malie never disappoint. But so far he hasn't.
YouTube TV has no.
Has he? So far he hasn't. You know what I'm saying? All the tracks that we listen so far on the channel has been bangers. You know, they've been really enjoyable to listen to, well put together. Malie, you're doing your thing, bro. Keep it up, man. G. No joke. People, let me know what you think about that one in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's talk about it. What's your favorite part? Lyrics, music video, the girls. I know I can't never go wrong with the girls. Let me know. You see me? The beat, the visuals, anything. What's your favorite part? Let me know if you like it. Definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know that Jambisco done sent you. You see me? And guys, let me know what you want to react to next. You see me? And I'll definitely get it done. And if I choose the song that you suggest, I will be posting your name up here on the screen. So you're going to see your name up here. We're going to give you a shout out. You know what I'm saying? And guys, stay tuned. We got weekly surprises. We got surprises and giveaways coming. So you want to stay tuned. You know, I'm trying to give back to y'all just like y'all giving to me. You know what I'm saying? Once y'all give me that like and those comments and the subscriptions, I'm going to give back to y'all. You know what I'm saying? So let's stay tuned, guys. A lot more in store for the channel. We're growing strong over here. You don't know, it's boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.